Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and in today's video we are heading to the National Ploughing Championships. It is 6:15 in the morning. We're going to Bayhon, beat the crowd, that's the plan. But yeah, very excited for it. Absolutely looking forward to it. Didn't sleep much last night. But anyways, we're going to Bayhon because you can't see a whole lot in the dark. So we're here now in Brahaniska, the National Ploughing Championships, and it's the World Ploughing's 67th World Ploughing Championships here too. So just making our way in now. No. Grassman stand.
Something social.
457.
You drove one of them?
I drove one of them. Some job, isn't it? Which? That green? Look, the new Peugeot badge is the lion's head. You just pick one.
What's over here?
I'm not going to be in the account full for you of it, no?
Blocking it, huh?
Tell her how much now from the 8011 to this now. How much they've changed. Oh, it's a big tractor. Be interesting to bring it for a spin. See, is it any good? That's some county. See the stone boxes on it?
Yeah.
Do you think I could pick stones? If you want to see anything on camera, you can. If you don't, you don't have to.
You gonna say anything?
No, I'm not going to say anything.
You just put bits on it.
From your face. Oh, I'd bring one home in a heart. How much is it? 900, only 987 a month. Just live. Can I do that? Would you let me buy it? Would you? Oh, some tractor though. That's a 153. No, you need 173. Need the bigger one. That's it there behind you.
It's brand new.
Huh?
Brand new.
That? Yeah, of course it is. Did you want to see it in camera? Go on, you might as well while you're at it.
No. Go on. John Daly from ST. That's the Craig.
You want to see it on the camera?
ST. Finish it up.
So we've made it down to the 99. Doesn't look too bad, Liv, after all the polishing last. You know, the dust on it will help cover it up, won't it?
Yeah.
Just here at the Nova Q stand, and I didn't realise it, but this is our maize. Jeez, it looks great when it's like that. And some of our beet. Oh, she's well happy with that. Jeez, it doesn't look as tall when you're in the field.
So that's the covered and that's the uncovered.
Oh, that's the covered,
Yeah.
and that's the uncovered.
And what the big difference is, you got one treatment to be evergreen on, on this, and you got two treatments on this.
Yeah.
And you look at the difference in the leaves between the two.
Yeah, that has a bit of like
It's just starting to run out.
Yeah.
Run out of energy.
Whereas
Well,
this
that one is
hasn't.
I mean, even those higher leaves, I mean, look at those, are phenomenal.
Yeah.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Just, that's amazing. And you got you found some good cobs in it. We were out through it, and
Yeah. They're all there. There's a bag of them here.
that's gas.
We've left some for your cattle. So they're not too bad. Filled most of the way up.
Yeah.
Which is pretty good.
Yeah, no, it was a terror how the uncovered maize come to after, because it was very poor there at the beginning, but It come too well,
But
so it did.
you got it in quite late, didn't you?
Yeah, it was like the 17th of May.
Yeah, it's a funny year. It seems to be not just here but in the UK as well.
Yeah.
The stuff that was sown later seems to have done better. Just
Yeah.
the conditions seems to have done really well.
That's gas.
Happy with that, aren't
Yeah, I'm
you?
very happy. I didn't even realise it.
Look at the difference in the stem.
Yeah,
So this has been much slower growing.
yeah,
So your cob has shot, the plant was much lower when the cob shot,
yeah.
but when you gave it all the extra boost, height-wise they're similar.
It's similar.
Stem is
Yeah,
half
you
the
can
size.
see.
Yeah.
Well, what parts of the field did you get them from?
The
Just the
covered, or
varieties.
the uncovered, the covered is just inside the gate, more or less to the left.
Right, so what was the top of the field? Top of the field was feedy top, I think.
Yeah, and then the uncovered is kind of in the middle, sort of.
On the brow of the hill, was it?
On the brow of the hill, yeah.
Yeah, the bottom of the field was, what did we start off with? Ambition.
Okay.
So that's the difference in varieties. Oh, geez. So we're just in with JFC there, looking at a calf feeder. We are thinking of changing one this year, and it's either JFC or Urban. Just kind of have to see what looks best on the day.
Yeah.
Would you like that?
Cold water.
There we go. The one who does all the work.
Yes. Yeah.
Get the worker, get the worker in.
Farm manager, isn't that it?
Yeah, perfect.
The lady, by accident, we all met.
Yes, amazing.
I was telling them the story below about it.
Oh, aye,
Yeah.
in Premier Inn and Harbour Adams.
Yes.
Yeah.
We clicked and on the
Chance
live
encounter.
came up to us, didn't it? Yeah. They all went from there. So I'd be hoping that Phil will be heading away on Thursday with this set of malls. It won't be my fault if it is.
Teds and rakes. Silage machinery handling.
Yeah, so your bait handler, when it folds up behind your tractor, then every part of the handler is higher than your lift arms of the tractor.
Right.
It allows you to unlock your hitch, extend out your hitch, pick up your trailer, lock it, while leaving your handler on. You could tow
Yeah.
the trailer. So when you land to your field, you can decouple your trailer,
And start lifting
start
the bales.
lifting bales, use it as a counterweight.
Yeah,
Same when you get back to your farmyard, then detach your trailer,
yeah.
fold down your handler, pick up a bale as a counterweight. Kills two birds with one stone.
One stone, yeah.
You even have your light socket to plug in here. Plug in your
Oh,
trailer
so you
brake
can
and
plug in through that.
Yeah, so you don't have to be going
I'm trying to put it between the two and
the
then
wheel
get
of the
pipes.
tractor and
Yeah, and
in
pipes
here, then
caught
again,
and
like,
stuff.
so
Yeah, yeah,
it's nice and neater and cleaner there.
yeah.
Plus, even if you're just using it as a conventional handler in your winter time for feeding, when you have your duck's feet removed,
Yeah,
you have the safety aspect that if a car couldn't run in the back of you, or if you're not trying to drive the spikes
Yeah.
to them, or back into a tyre of a tractor in the farmyard or anything, and
you know,
so
yeah.
it just folds up out of the way nice and neat.
So we have just made it to the hotel. We're staying in the evening in the Racket Hall in Roscrea. So yeah, I was carrying the camera out. I threw it into the bag and threw it into the boot, so I didn't get to finish a bit when we were leaving the ploughing. But what a day! Some amount of people we met and talked to. It's just crazy, absolutely crazy. Anyways, we get a few hours sleep. We go up early in the morning, and we be on back in for day number 2 of the ploughing. Anyways, we get a few hours rest. So it is day 2 of the National Ploughing Championships. We are just leaving the Racket Hall. It is 20 to 7, so we should be there hopefully before 7:30. So anyways, it's time for us to bait on. So we just arrived for day 2 of the ploughing, and we're a bit closer than we were yesterday, and we're about 10 minutes earlier, so happy days. So might try to see a bit of ploughing before we go into the show this time. What do you think? Day 2. Fair lump of a tank. That's what Uncle Derek says we should have in the 99. Anyways, we keep moving. Very nice, low, spacious cab, so it has.
Yeah, tractor cab.
So,
We've got 2 seats.
it's a fair lump of a diet feeder.
I wouldn't even get in that shed to
How would the 3075 pull it, would it?
fit in the shed. Yeah.
We am back up by the cabooses again, Liv.
It's wrong.
Good and yourself?
Yeah.
Some job to get that up there, isn't it? What? Huh? It is a ramp, yeah. But look at it. Normally you have to crawl under something like that. But made some job of bedding the cattle, didn't it? Like no more mill pea or all the messing of it. Yeah, it's a tomahawk, yeah. I think they're all tomahawks, Liv.
No, that's a telehawk.
Oh, but that's because it's on a, yeah, teleporter. There's Tom Pemberton. Not in the flesh though. Yeah, easy fix.
Are you going in?
Yeah, we're going there, so come on. So, just been in with Urban there.
Yeah.
Very interesting, isn't it, Liv?
Yeah, very.
Very. It's gonna be a tough call now, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, that's worlds ahead of...
Yeah, there's a lot of technology there. It is a little bit more pricey, but it's well ahead of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be interesting.
What, 1056?
An AAS. HPD. These are more like what we're used to live, aren't they? So we're actually seeing some ploughing at the ploughing. Well, they haven't started ploughing yet, but they're just getting lined up there waiting to go. So I think it's the farmerette class is what's happening here. So we're going to head on to see some of the world ploughing before they get going. And there's vintage ploughing. Actually I have uncles and cousins ploughing at the Ploughing Championships too, representing Longford. So the way it works is every county has its champion in every class of the county, and then they represent the county at the National Ploughing Championships. But yeah, actually see some ploughing at the ploughing.
Oh!
Here's a good microphone.
Yeah.
Hold on.
What I say?
How are you finding the Ploughing Championship so far?
This is a lovely day here.
Cheers, farmer. There's a good tractor.
There's a fine tractor here and set of mowers here now.
So we're just after doing,
Who wants the
how long
bag?
did I do on the
Oh
stand?
my God.
Done about 3 hours taking pictures, so just having an ice cream and a break. Before we go back out.
What? We've the painful
So, yeah.
ones now, lads.
Just hiding behind the screen. So we're just finished up with Timmy there about 5 o'clock, and we're just going to see the last of the show before we're back on home, isn't that it?
Yeah, try anyway.
Try anyway, so we see how much we see. Still a lot of people around, but just starting to get windy now and I have no mic. Well,
How are you?
not too bad now yourself. So now, been to Ken Black's, the last spot. So, we are back in the car, 2 days complete at the ploughing. And yeah, what a day. Man, I am tired. My back, my legs and my feet are sore. And a bit hoarse. So what about you, Liv?
Horse.
Just tired now. What is it, 6:30? Bit after? 7:15. Just leaving. And I bought a John Deere. Let me show you the John Deere I bought. 3140. John Deere. So every year we go to Ken Black's. It's like a tradition to buy another 132 scale model to bring home to put on the shelf. Every year since I've been going to ploughing, it's just like a tradition for me. I also bought David Brown 1210, isn't it? Yeah. And an NC tank and a Vicon fast bale. So yeah, there are a few things upon the shelf. But yeah, that kind of concludes our video. Father Phil is coming tomorrow, which this is Thursday's video, so he'll be at the ploughing today. That is just very confusing, but yeah, we're tired. Good track home ahead of us. Hopefully traffic's not too bad. Big thanks to everyone that came and seen us at the Herdwatch stand and at the moors. It was absolutely manic today. Never got a break from 11:30 till 5 o'clock. Oh, I took a break for 15 minutes, and yeah, it was just manic. But big thanks to everyone that come over, said hello, and yeah, it's just unbelievable. And I'm sorry to anyone who missed us and didn't get a picture. Very sorry. Just yeah, I'm sorry. Thanks to Herdwatch for putting us up yesterday, and Timmy and all the crew at Egmont Agri for putting us up today. So yeah, absolutely amazing. The highlight of my year every year is the National Ploughing Championships. We got to see a little bit of plough. Well, we didn't actually see them plough, but we've seen the tractors lined up in the field. But yeah, already looking forward to next year, and you never know what might be there next year. But yeah, no, great time. We met everyone we need to. Priced a few machines. You never know what's going to be coming in the future. But anyways, I think we're going to leave it at that for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, very broken 10-second, 20-second clips, but I hope it was enjoyable for anyone watching. But yeah, we're going to leave it at that for today's video. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That's it from us. Good luck.